We're outfitting everyone with new radios, and I went with this one, the Mini 5R, and this one is a really nice set with a bunch of good features. Of course, the instruction manual, the radio itself, in a cool gray color. We have the battery. Has a USB charger, USB-C. It'll just clip into the back like that. And we have a couple of different antennas here. The little nub, the rubber duck, and then there's also the reason I got it, the gooseneck. So, of course, as a ham operator, you know that you'll end up with lots of different use cases, and having this gooseneck antenna gives you a lot of good applications here. Has all the buttons you'd expect, scan features, comes with the earphone and mic, charging cable, clip for the back, which goes on pretty simple. And then if you want to remove the clip, the easiest way to do it is to remove the battery. And then since the clip is on the battery, it's easier to remove this way. Very simple. Really nice radio, good screen, lots of features, and it's smaller than any of the other radios we have out there. So that's why we upgraded to this one. Hope this helps.